Good morning, students. Today we start exercise 2.5. In this exercise, there are some mathematical identities in which the first identity is x plus a, x plus b. When we use this identity, this is x square plus a plus bx plus ab. This is the first mathematical identity. In question number 1, we use this identity. So question first is find the product by using suitable identity. When we compare this with this, we get, this means x plus a, x plus b. When we compare this question with this, we get a is equal to 4, b is equal to 10, and this identity as x plus a, x plus b equals to x square a plus bx plus ab. So value of a is 4, value of b is 10. Here we use a is 4, b is 10 plus 4 into 10. So x square plus 14x plus 40. This is the product by using a identity. In question number 2, x plus a, x means 10. When we compare this with this, a is equal to a, b is equal to means 10. So the identity is x plus a, x plus b equals to x square a plus bx plus ab. Here a is 8, b is means 10. So a is 8, b is means 10 plus 8 into means 10. So this is x square means 2x means 80. This is the product. In third question, 3x plus 4, 3x plus 3x means 5. For this product, when we take 3 common, this is x plus 4 upon 3. When we take 3 common, this is 5 minus 3. This becomes 9, x plus 4 by 3, x means 5 upon 3. In this, a is 4 upon 3, b is means 5 upon 3. So this becomes 9. Identity is x square plus a plus b plus a into b. This is the product. So this is 9 x square means 1 upon 3x means 20 upon 9. When we multiply this, this is 9x square, this is 3x means 20. This is the product of this. When we multiply this by using identity, this is the product. In question number 4, y square plus 3 upon 2, y square means 3 upon 2. In this identity, 3 upon 2, y square means 3 upon 2. This is x square which is equal to y plus a is 3 upon 2, b is 3 upon 2 y square plus a is 3 upon 2, b is means 3 upon 2. This is y4 plus 0 means 9 by 4. So y square means 9 by 4 is the product by using the identity. In question number 2, In question number second, the first part is find the product by using a suitable identity. 103 into 107. We write this as 100 plus 3 and this as 100 plus 7. And when we compare this x plus a into x plus b, so x is 100, a is 3 and b is 7. And we put the value in the identity. So this is 103 into 107. This is x square plus a plus b into x plus a into b. This is 10,000 plus this is 200 plus 21. This becomes 221. This is the product. In the second question, 95 into 96. We write this as 105 and this as 106. So this is 100 square x square plus a plus b. This we write x minus 4. So this is 100 square. This is a minus b into 100 plus minus 5 into minus 4 ab. This becomes 10,000. So this is 900 plus 24. This is subtract this 99 90 100 plus 24. 1924 is the product. In this sum, we write this as 100 minus 5 and this as 100 minus 4. So this is a square plus a minus b, a plus b. This is minus 5 is this and this is 20. So 5 4 is 20. So this is 90 100. This is 20. So 9120 is the sum of is the product of this question. In next question, the statement is 104 into 96. We write this as 100 plus 4 and this as 100 minus 4. In this, we use identity a plus b, a minus b. So this is a square minus b square. A square is 100 square, b square is 4 square. This is 10,000 minus 16. 9984 is the product of this question. In the next question, question number 3, factorize by using a suitable identity. In third question, we factorize by using a suitable identity. First question is 9x square 6xy plus y square. We write it as 3x whole square and this is 3x into y plus y square. This identity is a square plus 2ab plus b square, which is equal to a plus b whole square. So in this, a is 3x, b is y. So the answer is 3x plus y into 3x plus y. These are the factors of this question. In the next question, question number 17, the statement is 4y square minus 4y plus 1. This becomes 2y whole square minus 2 into 2y into 1 plus 1 whole square. This identity is a square minus 2ab plus b square equals to a minus b whole square. In this, a is 2y, b is 1. So the factors are 2y minus 1 2y plus 1. These are the factors of this question. In third part, x square y square upon 100. We write this as x square. This is y upon 10 whole square. So the identity is a square minus b square is a minus b, a plus b. So this is x minus y upon 10, x plus y upon 10. These are the factors. Thanks.